Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove attachments in Claude. So to start, open Claude and sign into your account. Next, go to the left side and look for projects and click on it. Next, choose the project where you want to remove an attachment. Click on it. Now once the project is open, find the file section. It's in the bottom right corner. So this is where you'll see all the files that have been added to the project. So take a moment to check the file names and types so you can make sure you're removing the correct attachment. Now to remove a file, simply click the X button next to the attachment you want to delete. For example, this one right here. I'm going to click this X button, just like so. And that file was deleted. So if you want to delete multiple files, you can select it. So you can check this box right here to select them and click this delete button. And those two files or items will be deleted.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And that's it. So you can follow the same steps whenever you need to remove other attachments from your Claude projects. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.